Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk in 2016, develops implantable brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, using tiny electrodes to read neural signals and enable thought-based control of devices. Human trials, such as the PRIME study, focus on helping patients with quadriplegia from spinal cord injuries or ALS control computers and phones mentally. By early 2026, Neuralink reported 21 participants enrolled worldwide, with goals including potential treatments for vision loss via blind sight and no major device-related incidents. Official goals. Neuralink's primary aims are restoring autonomy for paralyzed individuals through cursor control, gaming, and device interaction via implants in the motor cortex. Long-term visions include symbiosis with AI to enhance cognition, as Musk has stated, though current tech targets medical restoration like speech and prosthetics. The company raised $650 million in 2025 to scale trials and production. Hidden agenda claims. Speculation about hidden agendas stems from Musk's comments on merging humans with AI to compete with superintelligence, raising fears of control or loss of independence. Conspiracy videos allege mind control patents or surveillance, but these lack verified evidence and are debunked by trial patients emphasizing medical benefits. No credible sources confirm surveillance or behavior control capabilities in current limited signal tech. Privacy and ethics. Bidirectional BCIs pose data privacy risks, similar to smartphone concerns, prompting calls for oversight on neural data ownership and security. Ethicists debate long-term implant safety, consent, inequality in access, and transparency issues like delayed trial registrations. Regulatory bodies like the FDA monitor trials after initial 2022 safety denials were resolved. Neuralink's core technology involves the N1 implant with 1,024 electrodes on 64 threads, surgically placed by a R1 robot for high-bandwidth neural recording. Official updates confirm 3 U.S. patients and international trials as of January 2026, with performance exceeding goals like 5+ hours daily use. Verified milestones. Founded July 2016, Neuralink hit monkey demos in 2021, first human implant January 2024, Noland Arbaugh, and 20+ implants by late 2025. PRIME study eligibility, cervical spinal cord injury or ALS, age 22+, BMI. Patient outcomes. First patient, 2024 moved cursor, played games 8+ hours per day despite thread retraction. By 2026, 21 implants, some with speech decoding trials, retention greater than 95%. PCRM critiques animal testing but human data shows no seizures. Conspiracy debunk. Musk's merge with AI, 2016 to 2019 talks, is philosophical, not implant blueprint. Tech reads 1M neurons max, far from mind reading. Surveillance claims ignore encrypted data and patient-only access. Ethicists focus on equity, not plots. Neuralink develops implantable brain-computer interfaces to enable paralyzed individuals to control devices through thought. As of January 2026, the company has enrolled 21 participants in its PRIME study worldwide, including 7 in the UK, with no major device-related adverse events reported. Core technology. The N1 implant features 1,024 electrodes on 64 ultra-thin, flexible threads made of polyimide with gold or platinum conductors, inserted into the brain's motor cortex for high-resolution neural signal detection. The R1 surgical robot uses computer vision and AI for precise, micron-level thread placement in under 30 minutes, avoiding blood vessels to reduce damage. It supports wireless charging, Bluetooth connectivity, and on-device processing for low-latency control. Official goals. Neuralink focuses on restoring autonomy via motor cortex implants for digital interaction, with long-term aims including speech decoding, prosthetics, and AI symbiosis to enhance cognition, as stated by Elon Musk. The company raised $650 million in 2025 and plans high-volume production in 2026. Hidden agenda claims. Speculation about mind control or surveillance arises from Musk's AI merger warnings, but lacks evidence. Current tech decodes motor intent from 1,000 neurons, not full thoughts, with encrypted patient-controlled data. Patents cover therapeutic stimulation, e.g., for epilepsy, not behavioral control, and trial patients report only medical benefits. Conspiracy theories, like sterilization protocols, stem from unverified online claims without credible backing. Ethics and privacy. Bidirectional BCIs raise neural data ownership concerns, prompting FDA oversight and calls for transparency. Ethicists highlight implant safety, consent, and access inequality. Animal testing critiques exist, but human trials show greater than 95% electrode retention.